Hello guys, I hope you're doing great. Welcome to the first video in the series of Databricks. So yeah, let's go to the website of what is Databricks. Let me first open the website Databricks. Right before going through the independence explanation of what is Databricks and all the different things, why I am creating this. Right, because I use Databricks in my work as well as for my personal projects. So it will be as practical as possible, meaning that I will also go through the theoretical part in depth. Right, and one more thing what I want to tell you. Once you go through the video, either you are completely beginner or you are experienced in Databricks. Please provide feedback in the comment sections or just let me know how the video went so that it helps me to create good quality content in the coming days. After saying a lot in the intro, let's go and see what is Databricks. Let's get started. I'm on the Databricks website and it says here, unify all your data analytics and AI on one platform. Right, so it is a lakehouse platform. I'm not going to show you the PowerPoint presentation. Instead, I want you to be more practical as possible. I will just show you the resource where you will get the information from, and you also need to do some of your hard work there, right? Because everything does not come as easily. And if you take it easily, then you will not learn as you are supposed to be, right? As you can see, here it says unified open and is scalable. Right here, it says unified governance, unified data, right? So there is the business intelligence, streaming, data science, and AI, data warehouse orchestration, so you can use all different things, and the cloud platforms that it supports are AWS, Anju, and Google Cloud. One thing what you need to understand is there is Databricks. And before saying that, I need to say you. The Databricks is also a company, and it is also a product. Not to get confused, right? When you see in the UI, when I will show you the UI of Databricks, it's just the fronted facing thing, right? But behind the scene, there will be some cloud platforms being integrated. So your data, your processing, and all the different things will be. Behind the scene, there is AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud Platform, whatever you want to configure, right? One platform for integration on stories, processing, governance, sharing, analytics, and AI. As I said before, there is data warehouse, and there is also a data lake, right? If we combine these two, then there is lakehouse. That's how Databricks has explained themselves. Okay, we are a lakehouse, meaning that we get most out of the both walls, from data warehouse as well as data lake, right? And if you go a little bit down, there is open what is open, meaning that it's an open source, right? If you see here, it says lakehouse is underpinned by widely adopted open source projects, Apache Spark, Delta Lake, and ML Flow, and is globally supported by the Databricks Partner Network. If you want to go through the partner network, you can click this link. It will take you there, as you can see here. The original creators of Apache Spark, Delta Lake, and ML Flow are the owners of Databricks. Let's say in that way, right? I hope now you know what is Databricks on a higher level and you know what to do, right? You know the platforms to go and sort and know better about Databricks in the next video. I will walk you through how you can create the free account in Community Edition of Databricks and walk you through the UI. If you are new around here, I hope it's the best time to subscribe because there are many videos, as I said, to be covered in Databricks. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. To create the free account in Databricks, scroll on the top of website and click on Try Databricks red button. It will open a new page where we need to fill required fields. Please fill email address carefully because it will send us a link on the same email address to validate the account. Open the email and validate the link. It will take you on the login page where we can use Databricks. Once you fill the form, click to continue. On the next page, you will see the page where you need to choose which cloud service provider you want to use. You can choose any of that cloud provider. Now click on Cloud icon, which you want to choose. Don't click on Continue. You need to click on the Below button. Get started with Community Edition. After validating, you can log in into the Databricks, where you, the login page, and many different menus on left panel. Please subscribe for more videos. Many of new videos are in pipeline.